Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. It's Jonathan bringing you another sneaker unboxing. And as you read from the title, for those that know, you already know what these are. Jordan 12s, white black varsity reds, aka the cherries. So yes, I got them early. Sneakers app sent me what you call that? Pretty much like a early drop. It was a shock drop. Yeah, that's what you call it. So they sent me a shock drop. I was able to land them. These drop on Saturday, which is October 28th in the upcoming week. Anyways, on to the shoe. Now, before I continue, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. Anyways, on to it. So the paper is kind of like a pinkish cream. The box is a Nike, like older style, I think like on the 1997s when they dropped back in the days style box. So yeah, man, I know a lot of people been waiting for these to drop again. So here we are in 2023. Nike and Jordan decided to bring out a lot of people's grails. And for all the new sneakerheads joining the culture, here's your opportunity to cop these bad boys right here. Now the shoe definitely feels solid. As for I think they were like 2012 or 2010, the last time that they dropped. I can't remember off the top of my head right now, but the quality feels the same. It's nothing too crazy on the leather. It's still that synthetic leather. Nothing can relate to the 90s pair where the leather was real premium. But yeah, man, tell me what y'all think. Are y'all copying these next week? I was fortunate enough to land these, so truly happy on these. Not sure if I'm gonna keep because I do have too many pairs of shoes, but nowadays, you know, I like to make content out of my sneakers. Let me open the other pair so y'all can see both of them out. But yeah, I honestly don't own any more 12s. I got rid of a lot of them that I've had, just because, you know, over the years, over time, 12s do tend to get a little bit of separation on that toe box area. And the people that, you know, play ball in them or just use them on casual wear, you know, over here it starts to fade, starts to get little nicks and whatnot. But for those that take care of their shoes, like me, you know, these are a pretty solid sneaker overall. Can't go wrong with the classic colorways. Thank you guys for, you know, always tuning in, showing the channel some love. And I'll see you in the next sneaker unboxing. Stay tuned for more.